Welcome to my channel. Today we will learn all tenses in this one video with easy examples. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and watch this video till the end so you can get the easy concept of all tenses.
I have made this video very easy to understand. If you watch this full video, you will get clear concept.
Before learning tenses, we must know what is a tense. Tense shows the time of an event in relation to the time of speech. It means it tells us when an action took place. We have basic three tenses: past, present, future. Every tense has further 4 steps to understand: past simple, past continuous, past perfect, past perfect continuous, present simple, present continuous, present perfect, present perfect continuous, future simple, future continuous, future perfect, future perfect continuous. Present simple, I do. Present continuous, I am doing. Present perfect, I have done. Present perfect continuous, I have been doing. Past simple, I did. Past continuous, I was doing. Past perfect, I had done. Past perfect continuous, I had been doing. Future simple, I will do. Future continuous, I will be doing. Future perfect, I will have done. Future perfect continuous, I will have been doing. So keep in mind when you are learning tenses, forms of verbs, helping verbs, auxiliary verbs. So you have learned very easy example from do, did, done. Was, were, has, have, had, is, am, are. These are the basics of these tenses. So practice sentences using these basic of tenses. If you understood this video, so like, share and subscribe.